commit his heart again to Jesus. And I'm so blessed that I will have the privilege to put him on the water. And he told me, I brought also my friends from Kenya. So we are all Bruce Reed, we are beaten by life, But to rise up and commit your hearts to Jesus is one of the best. That's why, brother, may God bless you in your decision, And you are not alone. At 7 o'clock this morning, the leaders of the church were rebaptized. That is, Sister White says, even you are baptized when you feel that you want to commit your life to Jesus. Be rebaptized. And this is an humble act that not all people have the guts to do it. So God bless you, brother. So you are all invited to witness the baptism of brother. We will give you the address so that you can all follow us. This will be one of the best moments in a Christian life to commit their hearts to Jesus.